our host and Siemens CPO, Klaus Staubitzer. Come on up, Klaus.
We want to share with you our perspective on sustainability and how can we make a difference and how can we make and create additional value for the business. What's the new normal within supply chain? When do we get the new normal? And I always said, there is no new normal. The unexpected probably will be the new normal. We have to think about how can we find the right balance between a local and a global supply chain. We truly believe that it will have a significant change to what we buy, where we buy, and finally how we buy. So things like software as a service comes more and more into the game, so a significant shift from hardware to software. We also see a shift from individual products and services to ecosystem solutions. Luckily, we are very balanced in our supply chain structure and got to find a global balanced sourcing strategy. There's a shift from the pure category management to the platform management. If we see what really will change in what we buy, where we buy, and how we buy. And our answer is, we want to create value. What you see here on the slide is the idea of how can we describe the value creator. We saw in many other companies that procurement and supply chain is very much focused on the best price and only on productivity. We want to transform the function into this value creator, and this is what you see here on the slide. I strongly believe sustainability is the major lever, is the major dimension we have to manage. And sustainability for us means not only CO2 emission. We want to sit together with you in our carbon reduction at Supplier program. There's a high expertise in the organization to make buildings, to make factories more sustainable. And we can also offer you this kind of analytics for your suppliers. That means you can also use this methodology, these analytics, to analyze your own supplier base. And if we do that on a global scale, we can generate a lot of analytics, a lot of transparency, and a lot of activities to improve our situation along the entire supply chain. What you see here, this is the fire detector. And based on the twin technology from our colleagues, we were able to create a digital cost twin. We know exactly what are the process costs. We know exactly what are the labor costs. So based on this digital cost twin, we developed a digital green twin. That means we are now able to analyze what is the CO2 emission of the different pieces we buy for that. We can also analyze other critical substances with that technology. So for example, what is the water supply you need to produce that? It's an opportunity to create the future. We really count on your efforts, on your collaboration, and we are sure we will make it. Thank you.